So first of all, I want to appreciate His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi and the Okwuluora Ndigbo. And I appreciate Peter Obi for finding time out of his busy schedule to go and identify with Okwuluora Ndigbo and Umunai Ndenaria kidney failures and the liver disease. Yeah? And this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is one of the places where Peter Obi carry most of the politicians I in a Southeast Eba. He always knows how to identify with the real and actual problems. Or if I would say like it. On a like he respond to the actual problem and need of the people and not in when he said he's going to visit Okwuluora, people thought it was a joke, and there and there, because imagine why, I don't know why. Afufuni no Okwuluora Ndigbo na ata na enyelu umunna aye enyemuru onwe ha aka wee je na anata treatment for ndị nwe kidney problem and the liver problem. Enwego result. Kele Okwuluora rezire ego niile na social media. Now the question is, kirife pataro na various Southeast state governors ayinwelu, House of Rep and the senators ayinwelu na Southeast eba. In fact, the politicians ayinwelu na Southeast ya, kirife pataro na a lot of them will not rally around Okwuluora Ndigbo. Billionaires ayinwelu na Southeast ya, if a lot of them identifying with the struggle and fight Okwuluora Ndigbo. A trust fund account. All these people yada donate money unconditionally. Or in fact, without ceasing, challenges on the ground before you raise ego. And it is ego na that account. And we can go to people join all Okwuluora. E set here up an office. I got on the mado. Join Okwuluora since Okwuluora will go that passion. Only cases like this, you see about hope to go fly Unya to Kidney Zenith Center, Abuja, make kidney transplant usbo. Nka would done deal. If gathering of people on a bam for for people who cannot help themselves. Mana, I don't understand it. The other day, one night His Majesty Ebuka Potalo na Abuja for Matthias. He will 5 million in. That 5 million in Matthias is for what exactly? Matthias. Okwuluora is somebody who is doing the real thing. He's not even chasing shadows, looking for or seeking for self-praise, or they may for any reason. He doesn't have any interest. Genuinely, he has never had time to even appreciate himself. He always appreciates people who are donating and not Matthias, who is always seeking self-praise. So that 5 million in Matthias exactly is for what? Is for what? That money can buy every single thing donor if I hold them in a personal hospital. Why can't you give such amount of money to Okwuluora Ndigbo? Imagine if people not in the status of His Majesty Ebuka Onungwa. Now Okwuluora Ndigbo they receive donations to the tune of 5 million, 5 million, 10 million, 15 million, 1 million, 2 million from this class of people. Do you think Okwuluora will always come to social media to be begging money for project him and now require each person 40, 50 million? Let us look downwards. Let us come together. I don't even know why our people don't like investing in hospitals. We invest in hotels. We invest in so many things, but I may invest in many things enjoying. But we are investing less. I don't know why southeast of all region. Make kidney transplant. He said that no Zenith Kidney Center Abuja. What will it even cost to bring down a facility as powerful as that Zenith Kidney Center Abuja na Southeast here, even if it involves collaboration of the 5 eastern state governors to do that? I am asking, what is it going to cost to do that? So I am asking on the support and help of our politicians, elites, and Southeast politicians, for them to come together and support the fight and struggle of Okwuluora Ndigbo. That young man is doing most, not minding the fact that now there were a lot of disturbances, personal health issues, family challenges, a lot of things, but all sacrifice go away, doing it with passion. The other day, Omelu kidney function test and liver, even more than 1,200 to 3,000 people, being from different places, being a stadium, Enugu, stadium not to issue to capacity. He's doing it with passion. Why can't a sensible government identify with Okwuluora Ndigbo? These are the kind of people you need in your government, because these people something that has to do with the direct need of people. Direct need of people. So I am calling on the help of our government, both our legislators in Abuja, in our various states and our state governors, and even the elite and the billionaires are in Southeast here. Let them support. Can we say trust account whereby standby money, whereby we have such need? In fact, see me pay an office. See me pay an office. If I were to say, "Already will go on Okwuluora na listen na Facebook na ye go." Common people 1,000, 2,000, even though now they were success, but this place they need to go maximum attention. And I am asking and pleading our people to come and assist that young man. All thanks to Peter Obi for once again proving that he is always with the people. This is something very exceptional. That is why in Juwe like Peter Obi now get directly where people need him. He doesn't show people what they actually need. On a direct to the need of the poor people and the people who need it. He is always there at the right time. So I appreciate him, and I will thank Okwuluora Ndigbo. You will never die. Somebody Ndigbo na under celebrate. You are one of the people Ndigbo they celebrate. You are one of the treasures Ndigbo amona yingwe. And if you don't know Ndigbo yechebegu, Chineke bi n'eluigwe yechebegu. We forge you will never lack. Because you have no interest, you just segregate, you don't even push towards a particular narrative. You are just selfless in the way you operate. Religious background, ABC, state, they discriminate anywhere, and you are a kind of people I need around our government. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Share this video and tag necessary people you need. This video. This is Ezugo. Share this video.